Property is being sold as is. Amazing renovation opportunity in a prime Germantown location. Located in a highly desirable neighborhood and backing up to Farmington Elementary, this spacious large home is a perfect canvas for your dream renovation. With 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a large bonus room, there's plenty of room to customize and create the home you've always wanted. The floor plan, see attached, includes a cozy den with a fireplace, large kitchen, a separate laundry room, and a 2-car attached garage. Although the home requires a full renovation, the potential is endless in this sought-after area. Don't miss your chance to transform this home into a masterpiece. Schedule a showing today.